So hi everyone. Today I'm just going to be sharing you. I will not be gatekeeping. Instead, I got two new things that I just or two new sites that I think probably you should check if you want to generate QR codes and probably having issues with generating QR code. Probably clients want you to generate QR codes, or when you want to design, adding a QR code most times gives it a little bit of artistic look, a better way to have contacts or stuff like that. So you could have a scan me there and it could actually work for you. So let me just go straight into what I'm talking about and how to generate a QR code. So I have two sites here. I'll be sharing them. So I'll start with the first one, which is the Adobe Express. You could probably use the site to generate the QR code. You just go, the link will be in the description. So you just click on the link in the description and it will take you straight to the site. Then you can work on it. So it's very easy. Once you come to the site, you get this is how it looks like. You can scroll down and check the other things or stuff like that. All you just need to do is just to click on the create new or create now instead, and it takes you to where you have to just input probably a link or something like that. So what you could actually see is that the QR code for the Adobe Express is just for links. So if you have a link and you want people to you want them to be directed to that link, then you can use a QR code. A scan me QR code. So and like that. So you could change the style. You could make it rounded in this case, or you could just make it dots. And the dots, you could probably change the dots, and you could also change the marker borders. So to make it a little bit curved rectangle, or you could make it circles or ellipse, and you could make it a dot, or you could just make it a square or something like that. So these are just straightforward. You could have different colors to them, and you want the file format to be downloaded in PNG, or you want it to be in JPEG or SVG for sites or for websites or something like that. So that's just pretty much all about the Adobe Express. But the one I'm about to show you, it's more manual, so you could adjust and have a lot of things that you could do generating codes here. So now this is called the QR code generator. It's like you could probably Google it, but also the link is in the description. Here you could have a URL, so you could have a link. When you paste it here, it redirects people to the site you want them to go to, or you could have multiple URL links. So it takes them to probably a land page where you have different links there. They will just have free text where you could just have probably a text, want to send a message using a QR code, and that also works. But this is where it actually it's very useful for contacts. So you're designing a complimentary card or something like that, and you want to have the name, the organizations, and want to have phone numbers and everything in that QR code. It could work for you like this. So you just input the names, the organization titles, and you have everything inside just one QR code. You could also change the colors of the QR code if you want it to be. So this requires you to sign in because it's kind of unique and stands out. So all these ones you need to sign in and create a new account with them and walk your way through. So, but this is pretty much it. You could have a PDF also on a QR code and probably an app that will direct them to download the app like so. So you have other things, emails, phone numbers, and SMS, all this on the QR code, and it will help you so much if you are designing, as I said, for brands and stuff like that, or you have a poster design when you don't want the whole design to be chunky or too filled, just want a minimalistic approach to it. QR codes could help you in doing that. So you don't need to worry about your clients probably asking for a QR code and you are trying to navigate on how to do so. You just use the sites and you could save them to save them to your book. You could bookmark them, save them to your bookmark. So when you want to use them next time. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next tutorials. And this is just something off normal videos you see here. But thank you guys for watching. You could share it to people who you think it will help them when they are designing.